Dressing room tour. Here are my vegetables. This is something that assures me that I'm talented. These are my juice boxes. And this is because I'm actually 12 years old. Over here we got a steamer. Basket of chips. Water's very oddly lined up. Bowl of almonds. Neon crawlers. A very interesting condom Pop-Tart combo bowl. And a Kodak camera. Carlos Biatch.
What's up, YouTube? This is Stevie A checking in from All Urban Central. I'm in the building. I just got home from hitting the gym, getting jacked, eating hella wings out Magic City. And I'm here right now to review a product. Today I got home, I got something in the mail called the Auto Brush. You can see it right here. Bam. It's 2 pieces, so you have this, and you have this cool little kit that comes with it. It's kind of like a gun case or something, but it's totally harmless. So this is the Auto Brush redefining toothbrush. So I'm going to unpack it for you guys and do a quick review. Check me out. So let's open this up. Let's see what's up in here. Okay, cool. Looks like we have some liquid foam toothpaste right here. You see that? We have, it looks like a mouth guard. I guess this is the apparatus with which you clean your teeth, like the toothbrush, so to speak, right? And then we have this right here. This is the other part of your toothbrush, I assume. Let's see what's up in this kit. Oh, cool. So we have some instructions, valve. We have some more mouth apparatuses, as you can see right here. Boom. Oh, this is cool as hell. All right, so we have a, looks like a pod, a charging pod. So you can put this on here and charge it up. And it comes with a cord, plug this into your wall. And we have some tablets, and this is to locate the plaque on your teeth, to get all the doff off of your teeth. Let me try this out real quick. So we have this right here. We're gonna open it like so. All right, that was pretty easy, like that. Let's see. You take this out right here. You put some of this foam clear toothpaste up in here. Let's see. All right, that's filled up. I'm gonna put this back together. Okay. We're gonna take this mouth guard right here. We're gonna snap it in place. Oh, it started going crazy on its own. Give me a second. All right, so I just snapped it in place. All right, so I'm gonna put this in and let's see if it works just like a toothbrush. Check me out. Okay, so it looked like foam came out to simulate, well, to brush, to clean your teeth with. I don't know if I feel all the way there like I need to be, but it's a cool little gadget. I encourage him to keep trying. But at the same time, I give this like a 7.5, honestly. I'll play with it a little more, but you know, it's a decent product. So that's this right here. This is the Auto Brush Redefining Toothbrush, reviewed by Stevie A, and we out.